This will be a how-to video on uploading audio files to the VersaCall system. So in a situation where you're playing audio calls over radios and or you're making telephone calls and you're playing that audio message and you don't want to use the text-to-speech piece that's built in, you can actually record your own audio messages as a WAV file, an MP3 file. It accepts most file formats that are audio, and then you can save that on your computer, and then you can upload them into the system. So basically, you're going to start off by going to the Welcome to VT3000 menu. Going to select that core software. Where we want to go is to this audio files portion, so you can select that here in the menu, or we can use our icons. We go to configuration and then audio files. It's going to bring us up to this. All systems by default kind of has this test 1, 2, 3. If you're wanting to upload one here, so what you can do is we're going to select to choose a file. And so you can see here I have different audio files that are separated, and I've also got a zip file, which we're going to do next. So for right now, it's to say I need to add this test 100 file. So I can just double click it. Now it's going to show up in here that I'm doing my test 100 WAV file. Basically, I'm going to hit my upload. So then now that file shows up in here. If you have multiple files that you need to upload at one time, you can put them in a zip file and bring those in through that zip file. So for how that would work would be choose file. I have this here, this zip file here that has more than one file in it. Double click it. Now it shows up in here that I'm going to do this zip. So if I hit upload, it's going to upzip. And now I have test 300 and 400 in here from that zip. You can hit play and it'll play those messages. If you need to get rid of it, basically highlight it here, hit delete. Once you're done, just turn to that main menu. Basically, now you have them available to be selected for routes and escalations. That'll conclude this how-to on adding an audio file. Look forward to talking to you soon.